Oh, see, she likes the green berries, but not as well as she likes the crunches.
She only likes the crunches. She doesn't like the berries.
She'll eat the green berry, watch.
She thinks it's grass.
No, she just likes the flavor.
Ben lost his toy. Okay, Maggie.
Oh,
shut up.
She keeps spitting him back in the bag. Pickle.
Oh, great.
Don't be mean. Nope.
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 We're not laughing at you. We're laughing near you.
This is my favorite cereal, too.
Oh. Big. They cut up the roof of your mouth. Oh, the geese around us.
Hey, Timmy.
Pillow.
Your feet all dirty.
I saw a little chicken tongue.
She's wiping her
cleaning her
beak on my
face.
teddy bear.
Yummy. I don't get pissed off. Just eat.
It's a crunchy.
It's fine. I'm gonna eat them.
Freddy's puking.
Great. Pay no attention to the cat vomiting in the background.
It's enough to spoil your dinner.
It's not polite to wipe your nose on the food. I love chicken.
Tastes better if I check the other side of your hand. And green one.
I think we should give her some milk. I really want to feed her a cupcake now.
Aw, she would love a cupcake.